Brands increasingly rely on creator and promoter to drive customer acquisition. But managing this campaign is still fragmented. Teams often coordinate hundreds of participants through spreadsheets and messaging apps, making campaigns difficult to manage and measure. With BoostMate, brands can launch campaigns directly from the platform. They define the campaign objectives, assign tags for promoter, set rewards, and target specific location. Creator and promoter can discover available campaign inside the BoostMate app. They review the campaign instruction, join the campaign, and begin completing the assigned task. Brands on their side can verify and approve the creator based on their profiles or work done. Once the task is complete, promoter can submit proof directly through the platform. This allows brands to verify participation and maintain quality control across platforms. Brand can monitor campaign progress in real time. BoostMate provides visibility into participation, submission, and campaign performance, making it easier to manage large distributed campaigns. BoostMate enables brands to launch and manage creator product campaigns at scale, while giving young creators structured opportunity to participate and earn through brand activation.